What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to an update, a technical update mainly on Dogecoin. In this video we'll talk about the price, we'll talk about what's possible, we'll talk about what's going on right now, and we'll talk about what the possibilities are, right? I'll also try to incorporate some talks about the fundamentals. Fundamentals obviously being everything in relation to the Twitter acquisition by Elon Musk. Let's get right into it, I think. Apart from that, obviously, hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all have made some profits on Dogecoin already, and I hope you all had a great start of the weekend. But right now, if you take a look at Dogecoin, it looks pretty bearish. You could say. We're down about 8%. Market circumstances have become, excuse me, you cannot see that. Market circumstances have become a little bit more bearish. You can see Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping a little bit, retracing. Volume is dropping down with Dogecoin. So we can definitely say that momentum for Dogecoin has kind of slipped away, right? That doesn't mean anything about momentum in the future, because the momentum in the future could pick up, well, basically at any point. But the main fundamental catalyst obviously would be Elon saying something about Dogecoin. If Elon does something like that, I think we can easily get up to our first price target at 16 cents and also to our next one at 18 cents. And then we could also get higher than that. I always say that, but that's just my price target. I expect us to find some resistance there. And once we do, I actually will make an update on that. And apart from me being pretty bearish in the beginning of the video, if you take a look at the technicals, we're not that bearish. We're right now at this major support level, actually, between like this is actually the strongest support level between like 10.5 cents and 11 cents. We barely touched that. We touched that once, and from there we got quite a lot of bullish momentum. Found a break retest at 12.5 cents. So we are actually still pretty bullish. We still have major support under us, which is a great thing to realize, all right? Because it's some people might get a little bit anxious now. I'd say we are still bullish as long as we're above 10.5 cents. Now, if 10.5 cents breaks, we're in a little bit more trouble, because then we'll drop down to 9 cents, and that's all of a sudden quite a big drop. We could still get a huge rally, obviously, because this rally is fueled by fundamentals. It's fueled by news. So if any good news comes out, just forget about the technical analysis. Forget about this video. Click it away, because it's not going to matter, because we'll shoot through resistance levels if Elon tweets about Doge. But something I wanted to talk about is that he might not, like, obviously he might not tweet about Doge that easily, because it's actually like last time he got in some trouble, right? So, you know, it's he might actually be hesitant to tweet about it. For me, it's like a wonder why he hasn't done that yet. But that's something to think about, all right? I'm not trying to spread any FUD, but if Elon Musk is not going to say anything about Doge, all right, then unfortunately I don't think we're going to get higher than this. Because this seems to be, like, right now the momentum is kind of slipping away. This seems to be the move that the market was able to make. I think like there's one more possibility in the scenario that Elon says nothing about Doge, and that scenario is that we find support at 10.5 cents, and that actually is strong enough to get us above 13 cents. If that happens, we'll get to 16 cents and 18 cents easily still, because that shows that there's still some momentum left. But it does look like we are certainly dropping down to 11 cents and 10.5 cents. If from there we'll just kind of consolidate, and Elon is saying nothing, and momentum and volume keeps dropping down, we'll just eventually drop down to 9 cents, all right? Because we need some more fundamental fueling. So right now this seems like the most likely scenario, but as I said, it's all about fundamentals. It's just waiting for those fundamentals. If the fundamentals come, we'll do something like this easily, all right? But if they don't come, we'll do something like this, I think, at least. With the small possibility of breaking above 13 cents from 10.5 cents, but I think that's fairly small, all right? Because you need a lot of momentum for that. So yeah, that's my take right now on Dogecoin. A full in-depth analysis of all different scenarios. So hopefully you found it valuable. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day. Obviously, take care and bye.